Here's a standard percentage type question that you can find. What percentage is 15 black cats out of the 48 cats that are at the cattery? Okay, here is our part, our share, that's 15, and here is the total cats. So we must need our standard formula, which is our PISA. P, percentage share, and A. What is it that we know? Well, we actually do know the part that we have of cats, which is 15 cats. We know how many cats we have, all of them, that's 48 cats. So our percentage share is the number of cats divided by all cats, and then to change it into percentage we have to multiply it by 100%. Sorry, a little bit squeezed for space there, but let's just do it then. So we have 15 divided by 48 cats in total times 100%. Not very nice numbers again, so again we will use our calculator. So we have 15 divided by 48. It's 0.3125. To multiply it by 100, we must move the decimal point 2 places, so we get 31.25%. So that's multiplied by. Okay, so we get an answer of the percentage of black cats is 31.25%. Often they say how many decimal places to round off to. Quite often the question will say to round off to whole decimals. So if we were going to round this to whole decimals, it means that we would have no number after the 1. So we'd have to remove all the numbers after here. But the very first number after where we're going to remove, that's the important one. If it's a 5 or higher after where we are going to truncate, then the 31 would move upwards to 32. Why do we do that? How does rounding off work? Well, we have to think of rounding off that we're trying to decide whether we should answer 31% or 32. And which we know that exactly in the middle here we have 31.5. And we are wondering, where is 31.25 on this number line? Well, it's going to be approximately here. Here's 31.25%, and we can see that that's much closer to 31% than it is to 32. So if the number after where you're going to truncate is a 5 or higher, you round up 1, and we would have answered 32%. But our number was only a 2. So we do our approximately equal to sign, and then we answer, in our case, 31%, because the number after the 1 was only a 2. We don't do any changes to the 1 here. So the percentage of black cats is approximately 31%. And then we are ready with that question, and we'll do some more.